Park entrance. Maymont Bridge. About half a kilometer long is where we're going to be fishing on the river here. Here's the Maymont Bridge. And this is the little tricky part where we're going to go coming up this hill here. First time coming out here, I got a little lost because I didn't realize how to go, how much past the river we went to get to the turn. Coming up here on the left, just around this corner. It's about 16 degrees Celsius today, and here we're coming up on the road, coming up on the left hand side, I believe. Yeah, it's left here. It's as you can see, it's not the most popular road. Again, this is the old ferry crossing, which has been replaced by the bridge we crossed. Not a really good high-speed road. And here comes the next left. I'd like to remind everybody that we're down here, but make sure when we get down here, whatever you take down to the fishing spot, make sure you bring out. It's a pretty area. I don't want that to be polluted, so if you come on down, enjoy the spot, but make sure you take all your trash with you. I like this spot is because there's very few people come down here. It's quiet. Again, you see a lot of wildlife. Just a relaxing day. Hey, even if you don't catch a fish, it's a nice day out. Oh, most of the leaves are starting to come out in the trees. There's a couple farms along here, cattle farms. Respect the farms, don't knock the gates down or anything like that. And we're any second now we're going to right back down to the river. Fairly steep embankment. We're directly across from the regional park. I think the park's called Glenburn. And here we're going to descend down the hill towards the river here. Looks like there's a little activity for the park today. I can see the river. Fast forward some of the spots, but I want to show where we're going. There's the river. You can see the leaves are just starting to come out in the trees, which is quite nice. It's been a long winter. This is our second time out this year. Our first time out, we had no luck. And again, don't speed down this road. If it's wet, it can be a little treacherous. And don't knock any farmer gates down. And here's the river here, right at the river. This is, you can see across the way where the old ferry, we used to have the ferry here, but this is where we're at. And we're here. This is one of my favorite fishing holes. Thank you for watching.